Hey guys, good afternoon to all of you. I hope you all are well. So today in this video, I will share with you recent job openings from Australia. So now the situation is going to be well, and from COVID-19, the situations will be normalized within few days. And now few of offices and visa process started. So I hope you can apply for this job and you can go through the visa process, and I hope you will get a success to get a job abroad. So this is a urgent job vacancies from Australia, and there are some new rules, new conditions. So everything will be explained after you selecting. So first of all, you need to know what is the requirements, what is the applying process, and how to apply, and when it will be started the process. Everything details I will explain you in this video. So please keep watching this video till the end, and let's know what is the job openings from Australia. And if this job is suitable for you, you can apply as soon as possible. After you apply, if once your CV will be shortlisted, you will get a notifications to attend the interview in the certain date and time. You will get notified, then you can attend the interview. Once you getting success from the interview, the employer or the company from Australia, they will guide you how to process for next process. So I'm sorry for the background sound. So let me tell you without any let what is the job openings from Australia. The first is welder steel fabricator required in Australia. So all information is here. My request, please go to the descriptions below this video, because if I will explain all details, the video will be long. So I am requesting you, please visit to the descriptions below this video and collect the all informations and read it carefully. So let me tell you what is the job openings, what is the applying process, what is the important points. The important points is this is a job for a steel fabricator. If you are looking for a steel fabricator jobs, you can apply. Applying process is you have to drop your CV and all documents to the given official email ID. This email ID you will get from the descriptions. So the next job, teacher required in Australia. Which category and which subject teacher is everything mentioned here. As you can see here, Sirat College is a foundation of year 12 Islamic school located in the Northern Growth Corridor of Melbourne. I hope you all know that Melbourne is a city of Australia. So having made a significant impact since foundation year 2009 within the broader community, the college continues to expand faced with the strong enrollment growth at all the levels. This is a college and the requirements of teacher: English, humanities, referred full times, math, science, Urdu, Arabic. This is all about the subject matter related teacher jobs. If you are interested, please go to the descriptions below this video, read all informations. If you are suitable to apply for this job, if you have the proper qualifications and experience as per the mentioned by the employer, you can apply by drop your CV to the given official email ID. Let's move to next job, cleaner. It's a unskilled labor jobs. If you want to move, you should have the minimum criteria about English communications and about IELTS. They will let you inform after interview. Everything details. If you are interested, you can drop your CV to the given official email ID. So I already told you, I just describe you the job openings and what is the applying process, and the else information you have to read it from descriptions. So next job is hairdresser required in Australia. So if you want to apply for a hairdresser, you can apply by sending your CV to the given official email ID, as you can see here. So next job, electrical installer required in Australia. So if you have the proper qualifications and experience to work as an electrical installer, you can apply by dropping your CV and all related documents to the given official email ID. I already told you, every job have a different email ID. You have to send for which job you want to apply in that email ID. Next job, electrician. If you are an electrician, if you have a golf experience or abroad experience, you can apply as soon as possible. Also as a fresher, you can apply. But I'm telling you honestly, as an international experience holder or as a fresher, there is huge difference. Obviously, the client or the company will prefer the international experience holder. So still, if as a if you want to apply as a fresher, you can apply, no need to worry, you can get the interview notifications. So guys, today in this video I already shared with you different job openings, urgent job openings from Australia, like electrician, next electrical installer, next hairdresser, next cleaner, next teacher, next welder or steel fabricator. So there is some urgent vacancies, don't be late. First of all, I would like to tell you one thing. If you are looking a abroad job, be patient. The process, the office will be open gradually, and of course you can process for the visa and you can move Australia. I'm sorry for the background sound again. So the thing is, this is important information, say urgent vacancies, so I would like to share with you, because you have to apply as soon as possible. Before you apply, you should know what is the job openings, what is the qualification criteria, what is the requirements to apply for this job. If you are really eligible for this job, then you can send your all documents to the given official email ID. After you send your documents, once your CV will be shortlisted by client, you will get notified for interview date, venue and time. Then in that date you have to attend the online interview or physical interview in the nearest city. Once you get selected, then only you can proceed for the visa and other things. So guys, hope this information will be valuable for you. This is the urgent job openings from Australia, so don't be late. Apply as soon as possible if you are really eligible for the job which is mentioned by the employer. So guys, hope you will share this information to your friends and relatives. Of course, it will be valuable for job seekers who are looking for abroad job, and I hope this information will be valuable for you. So once again, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. In the next video, I will share with you where recent job openings from other countries. Up to that, stay with me. And one thing, if you have question, you can ask in the comment box, but the thing is, there is very critical to answer all questions, so I will try my best. But the thing is, all information is in front of you, don't be confused. Everything is available in the descriptions, read it by yourselves, and if you're really eligible, you can apply as soon as possible without any confusion. So guys, again, lots of thanks. Hope we will meet in the next stage with a recent job openings from other countries. Bye bye.